woke up the next morning, I just started driving it, guys. I was so excited. But it needs an exhaust very bad. It's too quiet, bro. What's up, guys? You watched another video. We are in the F80 M3, guys. If you guys did not watch last video, we have an F80 M3. Finally, after a bunch of talking, what was that? What the? I didn't even know that Audi can make that noise. It sounds like a Z. Anyways, guys, we have an F80 M3 now. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. And this car is very low. It's very scary. I don't even have a lip on, and I'm scraping everywhere. So I can't imagine when we put a front lip on. And the front lip is coming, guys. We might be able to have like carbon fiber parts in the next couple weeks, so it's gonna be sick. But yeah, guys, first and foremost, thank you guys for all the love and support on the whole car reveal. You guys literally blew up my YouTube channel, my Instagram. Everything's been blowing up, bro. Everyone reposting the pictures, liking the pictures, and also watching the last video. It's only been like 5 hours up, and I think it has like 30,000 views already, bro. That's insane, bro. Probably like my most viewed YouTube video so far, like fastest growing one, you know, like 30k views in 5 hours. That's insane, bro. Hopefully with the BMW content we can keep that up. But I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support, bro. It's hard to vlog driving stick shift. I forgot. I know you guys are super happy seeing the F80, so am I. I'm so freaking excited to see what we're gonna do with this car. The car already has TEs on it, it has coilovers, so the car handles really good. We're about to head into a little canyon right now, do a little point of view drive. This is like the old school ways, bro. We're in the M3 with the GoPro on. We got the big camera to take some pictures. We're about to have a little point of view drive in the canyon and have a little photo shoot too. I've never taken this car in the canyon, so this will be the first time in a little canyon run. Woo! God damn! It's very fast, I'm not gonna lie. And it's completely stock, guys. Engine wise, completely stock. And exhaust obviously is super stock too. So that's why it's so quiet. You can barely hear it. You honestly hear more of like the intakes and stuff more than the actual exhaust and the engine. I'm sure it's gonna handle great. It's on coilovers right now. I think they're called Fortune coilovers. We got Michelin tires on it and we're on 18. So pretty much ready to hit like a canyon or a track like this. And then that paired with the stick shift, fire combo, bro. I'm so glad I got a stick shift, guys. I almost settled for like a DCT one just because I was so impatient. I'm telling you guys, I've been looking for F80s for months now. I could not find the perfect one. This is the closest to perfect that I'm gonna find probably. And I'm just so glad I waited and got a stick shift one. It's so fun to drive. I've been having so much fun. I already driven 261 miles since I got it. That's a lot of miles in just one day. But yeah, this car is way too quiet, guys. It still sounds good though. Like it has a little deep noise. And if you turn off the M2, I think it closes the valves. It puts it on efficient. It has little stock valves, which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's way louder in M2. I already drifted it yesterday, guys. If you guys didn't watch last video, go watch it. It was a 27-minute vlog, by the way, which is crazy. Comment down below if you guys like the longer videos. But I drifted the car. I'll put a clip in right here. This car drifts so easy, just like every other M that I've driven. I've driven the E92, the E36, E46. They all drift so easy compared to like other cars. I've tried drifting like a Mustang and stuff like that, but nothing feels like an M car, bro. Sorry guys, I probably sound like a little kid in like a candy store. I'm just so excited. Like, you guys don't know how long, I mean you guys do know how long I've been talking about this. Forever, bro, I've been wanting this car. So now that I have one, I'm just like a little kid. So happy. You can't even hear the downshifts, look. It is fast though, I'm not gonna lie. For a stock car, this car's very fast. Yesterday I raced my homie Jay's Q50 or Q60, I believe. I beat it. I think he's tuned too, so that's pretty crazy. No, that's the first time I've ever raced this car, so who knows what this car could beat. I don't know yet. Also guys, not sure if you're familiar with F80s or this platform, but they have a crank hub issue, okay? A lot of people say it's a myth, but I don't know. I don't want to really take my chances, so I'm gonna try to get the crank hub done soon too. It's just very expensive, bro. It's like a few $1,000s, and it goes to nothing. It just goes to prevent your motor from blowing up, which BMW should have just had this in mind when they sold the car for production and stuff like that. Just like the E92s with the rod bearings, same issue, a couple $1,000s down the drain for nothing. But this car hasn't had the crank up done, so I want to get that done too, even though I'm already drifting it and taking it on a canyon run. But I need to hurry up and do that before this motor does blow, because it is possible. The likeliness for it to happen on a stock motor like this is very, very slim, but there's a possibility. It's only when you're really pushing like big power though that it usually happens. Can you guys see the head-up display? I think that's so sick, bro. I've never had a car with a head-up display. My GTR is too old. To be honest, this interior is better than the GTR. Yeah, I can't wait until we put an exhaust on, guys. What the... You know what's funny, guys? I put this GoPro in my mouth to get like the cool point of view angle, but the last time I used this GoPro was in Hawaii. So right now I put it in my mouth and I can literally taste like the salt water, bro. It's so gross. I should have washed my GoPro. I'm excited to see how this thing handles, bro. It literally feels so good. The GTR feels a little sketchy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like during corners or canyons, it could be because the Mickey tops and tires are not meant for this kind of stuff. But I think it's like a big body and you can feel like the whole body roll. But that F80 feels planted, bro. Like you can tell a huge difference already. I wish you were able to hear the exhaust more. A little bit. I'm gonna slow down so I can get the people to go up more. Give me some room to go fast. I already caught up to them. Yeah, I can't wait to do this again with an exhaust, guys. That sounds so good in here. And a little tune with some burbles. Not too much burbles, just a little bit of burbles, you know, just the right amount of burbles. Sometimes during the winter, all this is snow, guys. I'm trying to pass all these people. FRS? Alright, finally no one's in front. This thing is moving, guys. I've never hit this canyon this fast in any of my cars, bro. And it doesn't feel scary at all. It feels so safe. Little Subaru. I feel like we're in like a Forza lobby and we keep finding like different cars on the streets just driving around. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, guys. I know I'm not talking much. I'm just pretty much just enjoying the moment, you know? It's just so sick, guys. I said in my last vlog, literally, if you set your mind to something, you can do it, guys. I know a lot of people want an F80 M3 that are watching this video. Oh! You can do it too, I promise, guys. Just set a goal and work your ass off, guys. You guys saw me post daily. I was daily vlogging for at least like the past 3 months. And that shit takes a lot of work, guys. I know a lot of people might say it's not, but it's a lot of work, bro, to edit every single night till 5 a.m. All those long ass nights, they paid off, bro. So you can do it too. I know you could. Look at all these potholes. That would literally destroy my TE, bro. I'm about to U-turn right here. Yeah, this road got way worse than before, guys. It never had this many potholes. Bro, our handle's crazy. Look at this. I can dodge all the speed bumps or the potholes. GTR is fun, guys. Don't get me wrong. The GTR is super fun, but in a straight line. You know, it's super fast. Definitely makes your stomach hurt when you do a pull. And it launches hard too. But this car, oh, bro, this might be funner to drive. By the way, we do have the GTR still, guys. We did not sell it. This is at the shop right now, trying to get the transmission fixed, hopefully, and then we'll have both cars in the garage soon. But yeah, the M3 hasn't even met the GTR yet. Oh, what the? Oh! Oh! Oh my God, this thing is so fun, bro. All right, you guys know I gotta do some donuts for you guys in FindingNick fashion. Drift's so easy, guys. One day I want to get like super good where I can do like a whole freaking freeway on ramp. That'll be sick, huh? Uh-oh. There's a cop. Hopefully he didn't see nothing. He was like 1 minute late. All right, we need to get out of here. All right, guys, short video. I was gonna take pictures, but I didn't even get around to it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm exhausted, bro. The night before I bought the car, I slept probably like 3 hours because I could not sleep, bro. The next morning I went to the bank hella early, got all the paperwork done, picked up the car, went home, washed my car, as you guys seen in the vlog, went to have the photo shoot, came home, then edited the vlog all night. The vlog, the thumbnail, all that stuff takes a very long time, guys, and it was a 27-minute vlog. So I was up to like 4 in the morning editing the vlog and uploading it on YouTube, getting it ready for today. I'm beat, guys. I think just all that I had to do yesterday, on top of like the excitement and the adrenaline and all that stuff from getting the new car, it's a lot. I feel beat, but that was fun to drive, guys. I'm just exhausted. As much as I want to just keep driving this car, I've driven it a lot already. I'm probably gonna go inside, probably edit this early so I don't have to stay up till 4 in the morning. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys did, smash the like button. Probably a short video, I don't even know. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I did some donuts for you guys. I know you guys love that. Also, stay tuned for this weekend because we got a lot of content coming up, guys. A lot of F80 content. Tomorrow I'm gonna head to 412. We're probably gonna chill with those guys, show Sam and Joseph the F80. Sam wanted to look over it, just make sure everything's good. Even though I already bought it, he just wants to look over it, make sure everything's good on the car, make sure it's running good. Saturday there's a huge Cars and Coffee that we're gonna head to, so be there, guys. I'm gonna leave the meet right here. This is like the pre-meet at PQ, okay? We're gonna meet there at 7 in the morning, super early. Hopefully I wake up, but if you guys want to see the F80, I'm gonna be there, and the F80 will be there. That'll be the first like car meet with the F80, I believe. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. If you guys did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and more F80 content coming soon, guys. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 20.